Good morning, happy Monday. Oh my gosh. What in the Lord's name is that? I'll tell you exactly what that is. So on a Sunday, it's usually a tradition to have a nice Sunday dinner for dinner, but not in our house. Not in our house. Spag bowl we had yesterday with little garlic doughy balls, but Lee was head chef and Ollie was dishwasher, and that is basically what happens when two men cook dinner in our house. You end up with quite a bit of it on your walls, so we'll have to clean that off. It should be very easy to remove, she says. Yeah, lovely. Oh, you'd never know. Oh gosh, leaving me their autograph that they've been cooking. Sorting Ollie's carry-out house. Hopefully we can find a house we haven't yet. And fingers crossed on that one. I had a nice sleep in this morning. Let me just get milk. I did not wake up until 4:55, which is so not like me. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because Ollie isn't up yet, it's only early. It's probably about 6:15 maybe. Might even only be 5:30. So I came up with the amazing idea a few days ago of sorting out the desk in the office and taking it out of the room because I'm not going to need it. And I emptied every drawer, and in 6 drawers you will be amazed what you can keep in 6 drawers. I'm going back into work full time, which is potentially 6 days a week. And I was like, I don't know whether I can do all of that. And, you know, run a YouTube, still make my wax melt and, you know, the interior perfumes, because I absolutely love those. I don't make them just to be able to sell them. I create them because I love to use them myself. So, you know, I thoroughly enjoy doing that. And believe it or not, I spend around 3.5 days a week making wax melts and, you know, updating the website and shipping orders. All of that takes about 3.5 days. And I was thinking, can I realistically do it? Can I realistically go back to work full time? And the conclusion that I've come to is, I can still make them, but you may have noticed I haven't been able to update the website or Etsy, and a majority of the items are sold out online because I haven't had the time to restock them actually on the website because there's just so much going on at the moment. Let me just put some eyebrows on, I'll be right back. I now have eyebrows. All I'm doing is eyebrows. I've done my skincare, but I'm not putting anything at all on my face, just eyebrows. But I think I'm just going to have to play it by ear because I don't know how things are going to go. And I did say in the previous vlog you watched with regards to Vlogtober and being excited to create content for Vlogtober. Where am I getting the time from? The 7 days in a week. Where am I getting the time from to vlog for Vlogtober? I think being committed to my Wednesday and Sunday upload is the maximum that I can do at the moment. I can't do any more than that, and it's probably more than I've been able to do in a few months. But with regards to the wax melt and the room sprays, I just don't know on that because I don't know where I'm going to get the time from to create. And I've wound the office down. That's no longer an office, it's now just got my wardrobes in. It's the spare bedroom as it used to be. I think the whole working from home thing brought that about with, you know, lockdown in 2020. But it's back to just the spare bedroom now, and it's got my wardrobes in there. And yeah, I just don't know. Like, things are a little bit chaotic at the moment. What I thought was, today, let's go and have a little look around. In fact, before we do anything, I need to show you something. But let's go and have a little look around Neptune, because I'm wanting to get all of the inspo for, you know, having a new home and being able to decorate, and I'm looking forward to that. So let's go and get some inspo from Neptune. But before we do, I need to show you the most amazing telly stand, and I'll explain all the details about it once we go downstairs. This is my Fit You Eyes Picasso TV stand, which kind of doubles up a little bit as a way of displaying your TV, because you know you can set like the fire scene and Christmas scenes on your TV. Well, this doubles up as looking a little bit like wall art. Not only is it amazing for me with moving house, because all of the TVs are up on the wall in our house, and we're going to come across some problems when we move and we've got nowhere to put our TV. So when Fit You Eyes reached out to me and I seen these TV stands, I knew that they were going to fit in perfectly with the style that I was going for in the new house. So I chose the Picasso, and this holds a 37 to a 65 inch TV, and it just fits perfectly into any room or any little corner where you are looking to save a little bit of space. The instructions were super easy to follow. This took me not even 15 minutes to put together. It has exceptional durability and is a lovely quality piece with premium materials used. You can feel the quality as soon as you take the pieces out the box. The grey box at the back of the Picasso TV stand will house your Amazon stick or your Virgin box, and it will fit perfectly in any little corner in your home. The instructions are really straightforward. It's got a little bit of, is it like trunking on the back leg, which the wire sits behind, so you get that lovely minimal look with no wires everywhere, and then just switch your telly on. I am so happy with this. You can sit at the dining table when you're eating your dinner, watch telly, no more having to look up really high to see the telly, which was enough to give you a stiff neck. But I think the best part about this Fit You Eyes TV stand is you can move it around really easy. And I decided I was going to pop it in the garden and have a cosy little night watching a Christmas movie, and I can't tell you how much joy this brought me to be able to do it. You see people in gardens with projectors and everything else. With a Fit You Eyes TV stand, you don't need none of that. You can buy them on wheels. Fit You Eyes make lots of different TV stands where you can wheel it around so it's not heavy. I will leave all the details in the description box down below for you to go and have a little look, and I'm pretty confident that you're going to find your perfect TV stand from Fit You Eyes. They make their TV stands to hold any weight TV or size screen TV, and they have so many different designs on their website. You're going to be spoiled for choice. All the details are in the description box down below, and I really hope that you find your perfect TV stand from Fit You Eyes. I am on my way now to go and pick Laura up and go and have a nice little mooch around Neptune. I don't know whether to go to the Knutsford one or the one in Southport. I'm thinking it's only early, it's 10:30, and it's the 15th of August. Where's the time gone? I sometimes think, I still feel like it should be February. Usually January is supposed to drag really, really long, but I feel like those 8 months have flown by. They've gone nowhere. I'm absolutely amazed. But anyway, I'm on my way to go and pick Laura up and hopefully get a ton of inspo. We have arrived. Oh, the colours are gorgeous, aren't they? Oh Lord, watch the steps. You've still got the built-in cabinetry there. I fell in love with that when I last came. And it was what I was... No, this one. Straight ahead. Gorgeous, aren't they? So nice. Look at the kitchen. Just love it. Look at the size of that basket for all your cushions and your throws. That is huge. It's like a trunk. This is the French grey. It's more of a green cast. See, on mine, it looks quite... No, when it's on camera in my kitchen, I don't know whether it's because it's so bright, but it comes off as looking quite cream.
Is that what you've got on your panel?
Yeah. But you can really see there
green, yeah.
The green, can't you? I wonder if it's the light, maybe. Would you say Lily's green or grey?
I'd say that's grey.
Yeah, it does look quite grey, doesn't it? This is nice. That's powder blue, but to me that looks green.
Yeah, mint, like that, very light.
Yeah.
Green.
I'm back from Neptune, and all I've come home with is paint samples. So I've got the painted colours, which is just all of the shades that are available from Neptune, and also the seasonal paint colours. I think I'm well stocked with paint colours, and the great thing is with these, let's just say, you know, shingle, you can really test it in a room for what the light's like. So this is a south facing garden, so let's try. If we come into the darker side of the house, you can get a gist of what all of the colours will look like when I do eventually start decorating, but I'm happy with these. It is the next day, and I've just been editing the clips then of the video, and I was like, I didn't sign the video off, and I didn't even tell you what colour samples I got, what my interior inspiration was from Neptune. So I thought I'd quickly let you know that the samples that I've chose from Neptune are moss and mist. Now on camera, mist looks quite grey, but it's not, it's definitely green. I don't know why it's coming off so grey looking, but it is definitely green and not grey. And the moss is actually showing up a lot lighter on camera than it is in real life. In fact, I'll spin you around and I'll show you in comparison to the paneling just how deep green the moss is. It's more of a rich sage, I'd say, than a pale sage like this one. I don't even know whether it's going to show up very well, but I hope that it does, that it's very rich green rather than a very pale green, which it seems to be showing up on camera. I got the colour samples because I fell in love with one particular room. I'll pop the clip in here, and it was almost like a terracotta colour with neutrals. Now, I know there's been a whole trend on Instagram with grey, and a lot of people think that grey is quite old-fashioned now, but my home was white and grey long before Instagram, and they're just colours that I feel quite calming and relaxed in. It's funny because grey can come off quite cold, but they're just my favourite colours to relax in and to see every single day in my house. But I did spot a colour. There we are. It was rhubarb. I knew it was in there somewhere. But this colour with creams, as you would have seen in the clip, is very warm and so cosy. So these are colours that I am really tempted by for the new house, because as much as my house now is quite a modern house, I'm in the process. We've put an offer on a property and we have instructed a survey. Where's my phone? Just so I can check what date it is. It is currently Sunday the 20th of August and our survey is getting done on Tuesday, which will be the 22nd. So fingers crossed. But the property is it Victorian or is it Edwardian? I'm going to say Edwardian just to be on the safe side. It's got lots of original features in, which I'm going to keep. It's even got its original front door. And when you think of it, for an Edwardian property, it's very rare to come across a property like that where it does still have all its original features. It still has all its original flooring, skirting boards. So I'm really excited about it. So fingers crossed for the survey on Tuesday. But that colour I was so drawn to for how cozy it feels. I cannot wait to get the ball rolling, start picking out more colours for other rooms. And yeah, I just thought I would let you know that I picked up Mist and Moss from Neptune for me to have a little try out. I love this moss. I think that is a gorgeous green, very warm and rich with a dark contrast. I just think that will look lovely. So they're the samples that I got. Don't forget to check out Fit You Eyes if you're looking for a new TV stand. They have so many to choose from. You'll be spoiled for choice. I will leave all the details in the description box down below for you to check them out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will keep you updated with regards to the house. Thank you for spending a little bit of time out of your day with me. My child is here. You're hidden by the leaf. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.